So, hello, once again I'm back on my old trustworthy Dell Alienware M17 R5 AMD edition. Before I will continue, I have to check if the stream is active and is working properly. Yes, indeed it is. Nice. So with this out of the way, let me show you the system information by using the terminal and the fastfets. I will zoom in a lot. So yeah, as you can see, we are back on PikaOS 4 Niri window manager with a custom version of Noctalia. I think it's called pikabar on this one. And basically you can pause the stream and take a good look at all the system information at your own pace, or later on the YouTube channel my video. However, pay attention today on the screen resolution, which is 3840 by 2160, basically full 4K. It is running at 120 Hz. However, I'm streaming and recording today downscale to full HD and 30 FPS. So with these things out of the way, because I don't want to waste any more of your time, I will just zoom back and go and go ahead and show you what I have done so far. So yeah, basically I have minor detail adjustments with the system. So yesterday I showed you this. One moment, I want to check something. Okay, I think this is working properly. I had a fear for the stream that it wasn't working, but it does work. So yeah, as I was saying yesterday, I showed you that I have fixed this daytime situation here. Also, I've added the weather, the Stockholm weather, and then I've also changed for everything to have the Swedish locale basically. So the months, the days, the dates, everything is the week numbers are based on Sweden, and this weather adjustment here is based on the Stockholm where I live. So yeah, I finally managed that, and I have no complaints. It was a bit of a puzzle, but eventually it all went well. The other thing that I was trying to solve was basically the terminal. Let me check something. Here on the terminal I had an excess amount of the fonts. It was like bleeding inside the PikaOS 4 logo, so I fixed that as well. And other nonsense, like for example when I was typing ls something, it wasn't possible to read the output, but now it is, of course, because I fixed these little details. And also one other little thing was I was trying to solve this dock puzzle. I finally managed to have it on the left side. I managed to have the apps for me to click and run. So if I want to open this app, boom, it opens up just fine. However, I wasn't able to solve the situation of having the extra loaded apps. For example, if I load now Flat Seal, it will not appear on the dock, even though, as you can see, it's completely open, loaded, running, or however you want to call it. It doesn't appear in the dock. So yeah, maybe if I will give more time, I will solve this puzzle as well, but I don't want to waste any more time. Also, I have prepared this one. I have it here. Yesterday I told you, because I'm an old has-been fool, I told you that I did an export of this project that is almost 9 minutes, that the export was completed in let's just say 7.5 minutes. But that's a mistake on my part, because even though the content was 4K, the video file, basically it was 4K, not so much for the timeline. So I went back and fixed that, so both the timeline and the content was 4K, and that export happened in almost 16.5 minutes. So it went double plus, exporting 4K timeline with 4K content, but still not too bad, especially for this system, since I have issues with making it possible to work with Blackmagic's DaVinci Resolve Studio. So yeah, I had to correct this info as well. The other thing is that I have, even though I have the script ready for DaVinci Resolve Studio 21, the one that loads the app and tries to give you the best performance regardless of the tab that you're using at the moment, like Fusion tab or Fairlight or Edit page or whatever. The thing is that no matter what, even if I'm using the script or not, for sure, like the rest of the other tries that I had with Garuda Linux or I don't know, Fedora, I think was KD Plasma as well, I think same thing applies. For professional work, maybe if you are a hobbyist or something, it will be fine, but for professional work, this Alienware M17 R5 edition with the AMD CPU and AMD GPU combo is not the best solution. The performance is all over the place, no matter how well I will try to use my script or not. But I will show you what I mean. I will load up pretty soon. I just wanted to mention this. But the good thing is that with my script, you don't have any longer to kill any other apps that you have open after you will exit the DaVinci Resolve Studio. So without any further delay, I think I've said most of the things. Oh yes, before I will load the app, one more thing. I didn't have enough time to fix the bar on the top, this top bar here, or if you want to say top panel, however you want to call it. I wasn't able to make it to auto hide. I tried, but either they have removed these options from the pikabar custom Noctalia quick sell whatever it is version, or I'm a fool. I bet on the second one, but still. And one other thing that I forgot to mention is derped right now. Oh yes, my scripts, my wallpaper jumper and my cursor factory. For example, when I summon the status for the wallpaper jumper, as you can see, it's fine. The window, I mean. If I will summon to change the wallpaper, let's just say 200, it's fine, the size is fine. So I tried to fix this for my cursor factory, so it's like this now. Let me try to do it. So as you can see now, the window is normal. It's not like taking a full Niri vertical space, a huge one. Regardless if you are going to create a new cursor or select an existing one, the window is normal. But also fixed when you were trying to configure a new cursor set. Let's just go like this. This was always fine, but the next step after you were selecting this one, the colors were taking a complete near default vertical size, which it was like not very nice to see. So I fixed these things as well. So yeah, the scripts are fine once again. So let's go now and run the DaVinci Resolve through the terminal. Let me summon the terminal and then I'll run the script, which in turn will run DaVinci Resolve Studio. And keep always in mind, you don't have to do this script if you can tolerate the default performance. But even with the script, it's like something going on with the AMD GPU and CPU combo on this computer. Anyway, this is a new timeline. I have created a bigger project. It has like most of my videos. It's a combination of 4K and full HD content on a 4K timeline. And I'll let it play now a bit. And I'll just jump around and just pay attention while I'm skipping. Just pay attention on the quality, the animation, the noise, the sound, everything. And one of those clips has extra effects on them. Anyway, I'll notify you, of course. So let's go. Streaming in full 4K but 30 FPS. So here it is, 48 again. Boom. So yeah, of course I have. And seemingly it worked 2 times. As you can see, no problem with the performance. And now I will go ahead and jump on the heavy effects place. And I will choose, for example, yellow red. What are you doing? Basically. So yeah, as you saw, not skipping a bit, nothing, no problem. And now I will move on the Fairlight, for example. When one does the audio effects, music, etc. The person called Nick. Sorry. I think the system, more or less, this is how it looks. We'll touch it, but I want, or when I look. As you can see, no problem at all. Basically. So yeah, the performance is just fine. Let me lower the volume a bit. Maybe it's too loud on the stream, but I did it for my own sanity because I couldn't hear and I don't want to wear any headphones. Let's go back again. And right now let's go on the color grade page. And let's just try to play and skip around. So let's try that. So as you can see, no problem. Now, let's go to another site, another slide I wanted to say, but it's actually thumbnail, video, whatever. As it should. Maybe fix minor imperfections. So as you can see, no problem jumping between the tabs. Remember, this is using my script. Without the script, the performance could be a little bit questionable, but still on point. Maybe after a second or two, but let's keep on going a little bit more. Factory. But the most important thing, the next step for me is to fix the clock. Then they also have these meters up here, like CPU performance, how here, which it has the weather, the systems. So yeah, this is it. As I said, on this computer or any other similar systems, perhaps you will have the same issues. Not the best combination to run DaVinci Resolve. Unless you're a hobbyist, I don't think a professional will like to use this computer for Blackmagic's DaVinci Resolve Studio 21. But if it's your only option, at least you know that it works somewhat fine for 4K content. But don't expect any insane performance out of it, like fast, quick exports, whatever. So yeah, this is the performance running Blackmagic's DaVinci Resolve 21 and stability. As you saw, nothing insane happened while I did this basic stuff. And even offline, I didn't have anything crazy going on for it. So I'll just now quit the app. And the script will try to claim the performance back for the rest of the tasks in the machine. Hopefully it didn't drop any frames or something. Yep, 0 frames dropped. And right now the performance, maybe it will need a few more seconds to revive itself. but hopefully it's just fine. Yeah, still it tries to take over from this bad performance to adjust it. Maybe it needs some more time. But yeah, living on this combination of CPU and GPU with DaVinci Resolve, certainly it's a challenge, so to speak. And let's see. Okay, I mistakenly double-clicked here. That's my bad. So I'll just repeat something similar. Just single-click. Okay. So yeah, this is it. I don't want to drag this any longer. PikaOS guide. I don't think I will make a guide for PikaOS for Niri. Maybe I will just have a document with my Niri quick sale pikabar whatever configuration files, maybe with the scripts, the wallpaper jumper, the cursor factory or something. But I don't think that I will write the full guide like I did, for example, with the GNOME or KDE version. Sorry, KDE version I did only Fedora. Fedora was GNOME and KDE. I think PikaOS I just did for the GNOME version a guide. I don't think that I've actually installed and run the KDE version. Anyway, all in all, PikaOS 4 seems to be a fine distribution. Both versions were quite nice to use. Quite stable actually, both of them. Personally, I'm more like a GNOME person myself. I think I'm a GNOME person myself, but still Niri grows on me, and I really want to try one more time PikaOS Linux, the latest version, with the DINIT I think system in place. And maybe I will be able to manage with an extra camera. Maybe I will have OBS functioning properly. Worst case scenario, I will use it in the future when they will fix a few issues here and there. But yeah, Niri is growing on me, so maybe I will use another Linux distribution with Niri Noctalia combination or something. But yeah, if you liked what you saw on my PikaOS Niri videos, go ahead and give it a go. Test it yourself, and hopefully I will have my configuration files sooner than later on the YouTube video descriptions with the rest of the guides. So yeah, maybe tomorrow the next video will be like a summary of what I did with the system, this one, or maybe it will be another go at PikaOS Linux. We'll see, we'll see. I'll try to surprise both you and I. As always, thank you for everything, and see you on the next one. Bye!